Aqua House. The Aqua House is a futuristic floating home that redefines sustainable luxury living on water. Equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient technology, it provides an eco-friendly, self-sustaining lifestyle. Modern interiors with panoramic windows maximize natural light and offer breathtaking views, while multi-level decks create inviting spaces for relaxation. Ideal for those seeking tranquility without sacrificing innovation, the Aqua House blends cutting-edge design with harmony in nature. Brooder EXP7. The Brooder EXP7 is a luxury off-road camper trailer designed for rugged expeditions without sacrificing comfort. Its independent suspension and robust chassis deliver exceptional off-road performance and stability. The cleverly designed interior maximizes space, with a combined shower and toilet area and a versatile indoor-outdoor kitchen. Powered by solar panels, batteries, and an optional generator, the EXP7 provides full off-grid independence. Durable, stylish, and functional, it offers a premium camping experience in even the most challenging environments. Crawler. Belen. The Crawler Belen is a semi-integrated motorhome crafted for comfort and adventure. Designed with a stylish exterior and a carefully finished interior, it accommodates up to 4 people, making it perfect for families or small groups. Its fully equipped kitchen and bathrooms support independent living, while the spacious living area creates a relaxing retreat. Blending practicality, elegance, and durability, the Belen is well suited for both cross-country adventures and short getaways. Earth Roamer Yifai LTS. The Earth Roamer Yifai LTS is a legendary expedition vehicle built for serious off-grid adventurers. Mounted on a Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis with 4-wheel drive, it pairs raw power with luxury. The interior features a spacious living area with a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters, while solar panels, a large battery bank, and a water filtration system enable long-term independence. Rugged yet refined, the 15 LTS is a premier choice for those who want to explore the world without compromise. HGV Helios 26-ton Horsebox. The HGV Helios 26-ton Horsebox is a premium equestrian transport vehicle designed to prioritize safety, comfort, and luxury. Built on a robust 26-ton chassis, it ensures stability and a smooth ride for both horses and passengers. The horse area features padded partitions, secure tie points, and ventilation systems for safety and well-being. The living quarters include a modern kitchen, cozy sleeping area, and a stylish bathroom, making it ideal for extended stays during competitions or cross-country travel. Intech OVR. The Intech OVR series is a line of tough, off-road travel trailers designed to go beyond the pavement. Constructed with a fully welded cage and frame, these trailers are built to endure demanding environments. Despite their compact exterior, the interiors are spacious and functional, with a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping area, and thoughtful design throughout. With a blend of durability, practicality, and modern comfort, the OVR is tailored for adventurers who want to experience the outdoors without compromise. Leisure Unity. The Leisure Unity is a premium Class B plus motorhome designed for travelers who value comfort, style, and functionality. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it combines fuel efficiency, performance, and advanced safety features. Its interior is thoughtfully designed with a cozy bed, reclining lounge chairs, a built-in entertainment system, a fully equipped kitchen, and a spacious bathroom. Perfect for both weekend escapes and extended journeys, the Leisure Unity offers a refined travel experience with all the comforts of home.